This workshop provides an excellent platform for sharing experiences and charting the way forward in enhancing the role of women in the African small-scale fisheries sector.
Studies show that men dominate in fishing subsector. My call to you, women, we now have to move from depending on the post-harvest to the sector itself.
And I think this workshop specifically has really highlighted the need to work harder to get the women's voices and the women's aspirations into our policy decision.
Kwa ujumla warsha hii mimi ilivyonisaidia kwanza kuleta wanawake pamoja wa Afrika, lakini kushare uzoefu wetu na kuangalia zile changamoto zetu na ni jinsi gani tunaweza kutatua kwa pamoja.
Yeah, in terms of the engagement of the women in this workshop, to me it's been exceptional. Not only their participation in the sessions and listening and learning and sharing, but actually actively doing the training themselves, being the ones who are training each other.
How you define your profits is the difference between what you earn and then what you spend.
Now, business financing, we defined it here as a process of providing funds for business activities.
I started using seaweed and so it has an impact in me. So one day I told my brother I want to do business and he said I'll be happy to support you. Yeah, and that's where all the ideas came from. Yes. Thank you.
It was fascinating and really rewarding seeing the participants offering their own experiences.
Hizi dagaa tukishanunua kwa wavuvi tunaziosha kwanza, alafu tunachemsha.
But also, for example, this morning after the field visits, I had a couple of participants who had ideas then inspired by what they saw yesterday. And so they were able to take these opportunities and they want to bring them home with them.
Previously, there is no any other documentation or any other study that was conducted to quantify both the physical and quality losses in terms of looking at how to address this fish loss and waste. It looks at things like technology, it looks at things like gender, it covers all the policy issues.
We were able to really communicate what we really wanted.
Donc l'atelier a été très apprécié par moi-même et par tous mes collègues. On a eu beaucoup de leçons apprises à la sortie de cet atelier.
This part of the job, together with the empowerment of women and the establishment and support to small-scale fisheries women organizations, allow women not only to be consulted upon, but to lead also the process.
And we're really happy that we managed to come up and partner with AUDA-NEPAD and AUI-BAR to materialize this idea of us.
The work will not stop here today. We'll continue for as long as AUI-BAR, AUDA-NEPAD and African Union it still operates.